We are at the Meinel Optical Sciences West expansion, and this is the elevator here. This was broken for several months last year. This is elevator number 4. And then we'll check out the other elevators here.
Okay.
Indicators on the right.
Letter in, guys.
Yep, storable.
The door opens a little bit jammed.
Okay. What floor are you going to?
6, please.
This elevator is not reliable. And you're not on camera, don't worry about it.
I don't think she's too worried.
Took a little while to level.
Wow, okay. Modded Dover. Or
This was not modded. This is original from
really?
2005.
ThyssenKrupp.
Possibly, but I don't think it's ThyssenKrupp. I think this is just generic.
Parts been special.
Yep.
It's weird because it is a Dover door track.
It could be, it could be ThyssenKrupp.
Oh yeah.
I just noticed that.
Except then there's GL equipment, and if it's as new as 05,
Maybe they took it from another elevator. It's possible, very possible that the U of A people just, yeah, I'm not sure. Here we are on floor 3. There's Alex.
At the top, and cut my video off at the top.
Okay. Oh wait, we'll wait down here.
All right, there's the indicator, and we're gonna watch the numbers from the outside. There goes Alex. That's my fruit. All right, let's watch the indicator. And just as a bonus, we'll take a look at this hall real fast. Look all the way up there.
Wow, this is a nice tall atrium.
And we'll end it right there on that beautiful view of the clouds. That's it.